Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you how we prepare matoke bananas the traditional way. Matoke is the staple food in Buganda, and Buganda is found in the central region of Uganda. Please subscribe. I kindly request you to subscribe so that we can hit 1,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to like and share, and let us know on how we can improve on the channel. Are you holding? Yes. From this.
Diana, you see me. Diana. Those are good. Diana. You see me.
Start feeding, guys. No?
One. The other knife.
Where? Bag. Go and bring it, Ella. Go and bring it.
First way.
Diana, should I send you more smart? Well done, Diana. Well done. Well done, baby. Hey, well done, Diana. Well done, baby.
I want to buy for you sweet, okay? Now let us go. No eating. Go and put those things in the cavera. Hurry. You go.
What is it?
Hello.
And now we are beginning the process of using the banana fibers to hold our bananas firmly in the banana leaves, as you can see. I've already prepared our saucepan where we are going to cook the food from. So I'm going to put this yellow banana leaf to prevent the water from entering into our food. I'm using I'm going to put some onions in our guineas. In our sauce, we are going to eat groundnuts, so I'm cutting some onions to add into our. Then I'll put in water. Our guineas are ready now. As you can see, I'm covering our box. So I'm going to put it here on top and then cover with banana. So as you can see, we've now put our just covering the food with green banana leaves, as you can see. Now, let me get more banana leaves. Of course, everything is set and everything is ready. So let's take it to the fire.
No, that dog will bite you. You are standing behind me. Wala nabifumbye ennaku zino. Lwaki bandete ennaku zino nfumbye n'enfumba ebintu biganye Uganda ni ngaki? Kodyo nga sikategedde. Ebisibisi. Kuba zijja musikutte ebintu jako.
Abange mukone baba mukoneko mukona abange njoke mbayimbire